In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace all images in a template in Canva. Canva doesn't offer a single button to swap every image at once, but you can update an entire design quickly by replacing images one by one. I'll walk you through a smooth workflow so your layout stays intact and your new visuals look polished. Start by opening the template or design you want to update. This ensures you're working directly on the layout you plan to keep, so all frames, text, and spacing remain consistent as you go. Next, load all the new photos you'll be using. On the left side of the screen, click the Uploads tab, then choose Upload Files. Select every image you want to bring in and let them process. Uploading everything at once saves time and keeps all your options at your fingertips while you work. You can also use the Photos tab if you prefer to pull images from Canva's library. Now it's time to replace images efficiently. Click an existing image in your design to confirm you're targeting the right frame. Then, from the Uploads panel, click and drag your new photo directly onto that old image. Wait until the old image highlights, and then release. Canva will swap the image automatically while preserving the frame's size, shape, and position. This is the key to keeping your layout clean. If you drop the image slightly off the frame, it may layer on top instead of replacing it. If that happens, just undo and try again, making sure you drop right on the highlighted frame. Repeat that process for each placeholder image throughout your template. Keeping the Uploads panel open and dragging in sequence makes this go very quickly, even across multiple pages. After each swap, make small adjustments so everything looks perfect. Double-click the image inside the frame to reposition it and center the subject, or use the crop tool to refine the visible area. If the photo is too zoomed in or out, drag the corner handles to scale within the frame. For wide or tall images that don't match the frame's shape, fine-tune until the important parts are visible and nothing essential is cut off. Zooming in on your canvas can help you align details more precisely. Work through the entire design this way. Open your template, upload all new assets, drag each image onto its matching frame to replace, and adjust the crop or scale as needed. With this method, you'll refresh every image quickly while preserving the structure and style of your template.